Hi. Today we will give you a tutorial on providing location permissions on ResQ TRX app. Open the ResQ TRX Services app. Log into your account. You will be prompted to give location permission. Tap on OK. On the next window, tap on Allow. I'll tap on Permission. I'll tap on Permission. Tap on Location and make sure it is on. Go back to the app home screen and you can tap on View Available Tickets on the home screen. Nearby support job offers will start showing up. Once the offer is accepted, you will be providing with location tracking of the driver and vice versa. Thanks for watching the video.